When you live intentionally, you approach everything and everybody and every task from a different point of view, from the Happitalist point of view. I made this video to explain how instead of postponing the most boring chores, you can transform them into a daily prayer. Here is to the power of cleaning our surroundings and cleansing our minds. I like to start my cleaning chores in the morning when I'm full of energy. If done daily, you won't need a lot of time and you don't have to pay for someone else to do it. Some people say, it is not worth my time spent on cleaning when I can do something else. I disagree, because it brings peace of mind. I personally get anxious when my surrounding isn't clean and organized. Having the right, and yes, sometimes expensive cleaning tools help. I hated vacuum cleaning until I found the right instrument for me. I have also thought about how to make the process efficient. For example, using a glove for body scrubbing to scrub the sink and surroundings. I like to use glass instead of plastic. I always had, because the feel of glass, not because it is trending these days. The coming of plastic from the US to many third world countries, including mine, killed the artisans and their crafts. Only now people are going back to the way of our grandparents. I fondly remember my grandma dipped cheesecloth in beeswax to make saran wraps to preserve food. Now they sell these for a steep price. I love how they smell of honey. I make my own cleaning products with vinegar and soda and citric acid and alcohol. It's good for the environment, my pocket, and future generations of planet Earth. Now, while I clean, I think of all those people who will watch me and be inspired to take the first steps. Thank you for your time with me.